All right, here we are in another day on Grand Bahama Island here at the Viva Wyndham Fortuna Resort. I've had a great stay so far. This is Monday, so day 3 for us, and we think we've learned the system here. Today I did breakfast all by myself because my husband wanted to sleep a little bit. Thought it would be a good idea to catch up on some sleep. We've been having pretty late nights. Last night they had a great show. We then danced after the show, so we were up until probably about 1 o'clock. And when we are drinking alcohol and stuff that we're not used to, it's taking a toll on us. I got up a little bit earlier today, came and had breakfast because I wanted to go play beach volleyball. We tried doing it the other day, found out that it was canceled. So today I wanted to go try. I ended up only being me and one of the instructors, one of the guys who works here. But we hit the ball around a little bit. He called a couple other people over. We didn't really have a game. We just kind of passed the ball around. And I forget how crazy sand volleyball is. And then under the Bahama sun, it's even, probably played for about 45 minutes. And that was my workout for the day. But we had a great time. And then I headed back to the room, freshened up. And then we headed out for a tour of the property so I could show you guys all around. This afternoon we may go check out the paddleboard stuff and see what that is all about. There's also supposed to be a paintball tournament this afternoon that my husband might participate in. And then we want to also check out just what's involved with the trapeze because we think we want to try that, but we're not sure. So we're going to probably head over there and check out that. Other than that, though, it's the same old, same old. We're going to lay on the beach, go for a swim, and relax, probably take a nap sometime, and then head out to our reserved dinner tonight. Tonight we have dinner at the Viva Cafe, which is the gourmet restaurant, so fancy, fancy. And then this evening's show is a 70s and 80s revival show, so that should be fun as well. But I'll catch up with you later on during the day. I'll let you know how our dinner was, what we find out about the trapeze stuff, paddleboard, all that good stuff, if we even did any of it. All right, I'll catch up with you later. Well, good afternoon, everybody. I am standing here at the Viva Wyndham Fortuna all-inclusive resort. I'm standing right outside my room. You can see the gorgeous view I have behind me. And I thought I would take you around, show you what this resort is all about and what it has to offer. Been here a couple of days, so we've learned the ropes a little. So I want to take you on a quick tour, show you this great property and all there is that it has to offer. Follow me. All right, so this wing that we're in right now is for the timeshare, which, as we found out, gives us a few extra benefits. So we're walking this way into the main courtyard, and I'm going to show you where the 2 restaurants are. We're going to start over there and then head to the main bar. All right, so just a short walk from the beach here. Across the courtyard, we have the 2 of the 3 restaurants on site. One of those we will be eating at tonight, so I'll update you with progress there. But this resort has a wide array of amenities, restaurants, and other fun things to do and eat, as all-inclusives have. So we're going to just do a little quick walk around the property so you can see what this is like. So right behind there, that is La Pizza. That is the Italian restaurant. We will be eating there tomorrow night. And right next to it is the gourmet restaurant, which we will be dining at this evening, and that is called Viva Cafe. Well, we'll walk up there real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. But there's Viva Cafe over there and Viva La Pizza. So they're right next to each other. One is the gourmet restaurant, one is the more casual Italian dining. And then right next to that is the spa. So I'll put a map up in the links below so you can see where these things are on the property if you're considering a trip here to Viva Wyndham Fortuna. But there's the little spa where you can get your massages and everything. So I'm going to take you back to where the archery range is and where the tennis courts as well as the gymnasium. It's also kind of back where all of the employee quarters are. So this is a very international type of resort where they have dancers come in, but then they also do a variety of activities throughout the day. So they run, the pool activities, the volleyball, the paddleboard, the archery. They work all of these areas during the day, and then at night is when they actually put on the shows. So it's kind of their activity team. Really cool people from all around the world, some from Italy, Argentina, Mexico, Dominican Republic. Very friendly, really upbeat and fun staff. But their quarters are right back here near the gym. So we're almost there, just around the corner here. All right, so we are right outside the gym. I don't think I'm going to go in there. Usually they have an attendant. But you can see, just real quick, it has all the full facilities, treadmills, everything. There's even a sauna around the corner, as well as bathroom facilities. So this is located towards the back of the property. All right, as you can see, here's the tennis courts. And then over to my left here is the archery range. So they have archery range from 10 to 12, and then again in the afternoon from 3 to 5. They have different tournaments in different areas of the resort every single day. Yesterday was the archery tournament. We did not do so well. We did play, but did not win. And then there's the tennis courts. Everything that you need to use any of the activities are all provided for you. And again, here's the gym. So all this is back in this little corner here towards the back of the resort. Those are some of the rooms again. So we're going to head back over to the main area where the main bar is, check in, all of that kind of stuff. And I'll even take you to the front entrance so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like from the front. But I wanted to show you from our room where we were at. So here we go. All right, and right here, this is a kid-friendly resort. So right here, we have the kids club. They have a nice play area right over there, and then you can drop your kids off. They have different programming and stuff for the little ones, so you can have some kid-free time while your kiddos are occupied here in the kids club. And then right next door is the diving information. So every day there is a dive that you can go on. I believe there's an additional cost for that. You can kind of hear behind me, we're right outside the main dining hall. But this right here is where you want to go if you want to go to the diving center and take a lesson or go out on an excursion. They have a snorkeling trip, in this case, every day at 11:30. So we're going to head over to the main house. So this is the main bar here, open until 2 a.m. every day. Very friendly bartenders. You can even get coffee service here after the main buffet. Hi, you performing for me over there? As you can see, very friendly. Very friendly bartenders and everything, but there's a nice lounge space here. Last night, this whole area here was a dance floor. And we'll head out by the pool in a minute, but I'm going to take you through main reception. There's the trapeze. We'll look over there a little bit later. So we're going to head up to the main reception and show you what everything is up there. All right, so as you see, this is the daily board of activities right outside of the main room. So this gives you an idea of what there is to do and everything. I did beach volleyball this morning. It was just me and the guy running it. And then this has all of your information for what's open what day and everything like that. So this here is the main courtyard from check-in to where all of the main activities are. Over there is the buffet, and then I'm going to take you around to where the Bamboo restaurant is, where they do the shows every night, and a main reception. here they have the little convenience store, so this has more of the snacks, beverages, things like that, stuff that is not included, but you can stop by here if you need to. They even have sunscreen and stuff like that inside if you need it. This here is a little bit more of the souvenir type stuff. And here we are. This is main reception. Over here is where all the excursions are that you can book. And just the main check-in area. There's some more excursion places over here. And check in and check out. If you are an RCI member, though, you will check in and check out at your own place. I'm just going to quickly take you out to the very front entrance. You can see it is gated. There are taxis right outside. I'm not going to take you to the front. We'll catch that on the last day when we're leaving. But you can see this is the main entrance. Bicycle rentals if you want them. And there's the main reception. Outside of the main performance area. They are rehearsing right now. That's why you hear some music. I'm gonna see if we can't take a sneak peek in there real quick, but they are pretty top secret about their stuff. They don't want you to see it before the night of the show. The shows have been pretty fun and entertaining so far. We saw a music performance where they did a whole bunch of different music songs, lip syncing, dancing, things like that. And then last night was comedy. So now they are rehearsing, as you can see, for probably tonight's performance. Tonight is the 70s and 80s revival. All right, off we go. All right, right outside the performance area here, so there's the Bravo Club where all the performances happen. Right outside is Bamboo Restaurant, which is one of the three fancy restaurants. So that's right there. We have dinner here on Friday. And then right over here we are back at the buffet place. We're gonna go in there in a little bit, but that just so you have an idea of where we're at on the resort. We'll be going in there in a few minutes, so stay tuned. All right, so this is Junkanoo. pool area. I'm going to take you guys with me, show you the trapeze, show you the paddleboard area, all the water sports and everything, volleyball court, all that good stuff. And we're going to check out what we can do this afternoon with our time. So come on. Sports area. We have the volleyball court right behind me. This is where I played volleyball this morning. And if you guys walk over here, you'll see you have all of the water sport rentals. You have kayaks, canoes, there's even catamarans that you can take out, as well as paddleboarding. And that's something we're going to try right now.